how to trade the third Elliott waves using a Pitchfork tool. How to trade the third Elliott waves using Pitchfork tool. We are on a monthly chart of Fisel. One more time, if my pronunciation is incorrect, Fisel or Fisel, well, it's a Nasdaq 100 component. The epic is FIXV, Foxtrot India Sierra Victor, Fisel Incorporation. Is that correct? Fisel. Okay, trader, this is the time for you to get excited about the pronunciation of this stock, but that's not the point. The point we want to make is how to trade, okay, the third Elliott wave using a Pitchfork tool. All right. So during the third Elliott wave, the price is running very fast. Sometimes it can be difficult for trader to catch, okay, the third Elliott wave. So the price, the third wave is already underway. The momentum is fast. So if you are not careful, you may buy here. So here we are. So you may buy here only to see the price come down, all right? But it's during the third Elliott wave. So you buy here, but you lose. But if you buy with auction, okay, you may remain in the market. So you want to use the appropriate trading tool to trade the third Elliott wave. Usually trader will go and buy a call option for bullish stock during the third Elliott wave, or they may buy a put option during a bearish third Elliott wave, okay, to remain in the market whatever is happening, so they may cash out when they are in profit. The only thing they have to worry about is the time, okay, period of their option. All right, so it can be quite challenging to catch the third Elliott wave sometime, or to re-enter the trade. So especially for technical traders like myself, you want to buy at the X price and re-enter, okay, take profit and re-enter again the trend, because it's taking a longer time. You see this third Elliott wave from mid somewhere, let's say from 2012 up to today. This stock is still in the third Elliott wave. All right. So how can we use, okay, the Pitchfork tool to trade the third Elliott wave like the pro? Okay, so, all right, it makes sense. I have counted waves here, but I'm not going to go into the details of how I count my wave. I'm just going to tell you now, okay. You can see that I put a vertical line here, 2009, the stock market began a bullish trend. And you can see the price start going up from here, blah, 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 all the way up here. Now, my first Elliott wave is from here. Okay, let's put a spot there. All right. Is from here to here. All right. My second wave from here down to this level here. And we are now in the third Elliott wave, which is represented by the orange trend line on my chart. We are in the third wave. Okay. So this is the second wave. Okay. In this session here. And my first wave, I start counting it from here. I didn't start from here. All right. Whether you started from here, okay, it's up to you. But my wave count, I'm starting it from here. All right. Because if you zoom into it, you will see it clearly that it's in fact from here. Okay. All right. So first wave, second wave, we are now in the third Elliott wave. How can we use the Pitchfork tool to trade the third Elliott wave? What we usually do, we will use a 3-point to draw our Pitchfork tool. And instead, I can use this point, okay, 3 points. So the low of the first wave, all right, and the high of the first wave, and the low of the second wave. So first wave and second wave. Now, today I need to clarify with you that the first wave did not cancel the first wave here. It may look to you like it canceled it, but it did not. Okay, I can assure you it didn't cancel it, okay? Because I don't want to go into wave count mode now, but I want to talk about a specific strategy. It didn't cancel it, okay? Be assured. If you zoom into it, you will see that it didn't cancel it, okay? So first wave, second wave. So we select 3 points, the low of the first wave, the high of the first wave, and the low of the second wave. Then we use our Pitchfork tool. You see, can you see my Pitchfork tool? It's here. All right, it's already placed here on my chart. Okay. If you want to learn to master the Pitchfork tool, go to www.dayprotraders.com. So we have our Pitchfork tool. What is the role of the Pitchfork tool? The Pitchfork tool, after the first and the second wave, is giving us a bit of idea, the path that the third Elliott wave is likely to take. All right, so the Pitchfork tool, okay, help trader to determine the possible path of the trend that is underway, either in an uptrend or in a downtrend. So because we are catching the third Elliott wave, the Pitchfork tool that I put on my chart will determine, okay, will give me a bit of idea where the third wave is likely to be within the boundaries of the Pitchfork tool. And if the bullish momentum increases, all right, the price will break above the Pitchfork tool. So this is what we do. First wave, second wave. Then we place the Pitchfork tool to determine the possible path of the third Elliott wave. Because with that, we can pinpoint where we can buy. Okay, so price going up, you see it goes up, it hit the top of the Pitchfork tool here. It pulled back near the median line. Well, we can apply a top-down trending method on the edge of the median line to re-enter, okay, the third Elliott wave. If you are a technical trader who is not buying, okay, using option. Now, I want to say this, as I always say this, okay, sometimes market participants think that when they use option, okay, they can't lose money. People are losing a lot of money using option, all right? So don't think that using option is the solution. The most important thing is to time the market. There are advantages of using option, which means you are not kicked out, though you were right, but there are some disadvantages also. So don't think that, okay, with the option, you will be okay, all right? So you want to time it correctly. So using a Pitchfork tool may also help you. You see here, it goes up, boom, here, all right? All right, so price pull back here. Okay, if you want to buy your option now, buy it now. Time it correctly. So now the price breaks above the Pitchfork tool. What's the next step? Okay, the Pitchfork tool is now obsolete. The price is now out of the Pitchfork tool, telling us that the bullish momentum is increasing. We will now, this is what I'm talking about, we will now measure the height of the Pitchfork tool. You see here? This is the width of the Pitchfork tool. You see how I draw it? From the top to the low, that's the width. And we project it in the direction of the price. Here it is. We put it on top of it. And then we draw a line that is parallel to the Pitchfork tool. Here it is. So price start going up above the Pitchfork tool. Look where it came near that projection. We are here now. Is everything okay? I can put this on my chart. Okay. All right. Okay. Well, let's call it sim column. Okay. This is the top of our projection. So as the price goes above the Pitchfork tool during the third Elliott wave, came near that level, traders took profit here, price bounced back a little bit here. Once again, once we project the width of the Pitchfork tool, be aware of the median line of your projection. So what you can do, are we okay? All right. You can draw the median line of our new, okay, Pitchfork tool, all right? Are you with me? All right. If there's something you do not understand, just put in a comment section. Okay. So we project the width of our original Pitchfork tool in the direction of the price. All right. So this is the width of the Pitchfork tool. Price goes above it. We project it, and then we draw a line that is parallel to the Pitchfork tool. We want to also draw the median line of that new channel, because as a technical trader, okay, we want to know where we can buy and where we can exit the trade, all right? So I have too many lines on my chart, but I need them, all right? I need them, and I will explain to you why soon. So focus carefully. So we are here now, okay? So the median line here, you can see the price came quite close to the top of the new channel, and then pulled back near the median line. This is the median line, the blue line here, and giving trader another chance to buy. The price starts going up again, came near the top of our projected channel, you can see again, am I talking to myself? Am I talking to myself? Okay, let's zoom into it. Let's zoom into it. Okay, is it better? A little bit better? A little bit better? It's a little bit better, okay? A little bit better? Okay. Now, so we are here now. So price, see, start going up. So there's a pullback from the top to the median line of our new channel. Now it start going up, okay? Start going up. Where are we watching? We are watching the top of it. You see this candle here? Acknowledging this resistance here, the doji here. You see here? Is it doji? All right, well, here it is. Yeah, acknowledging the top of our projection. Price breaks above the second projection. Well, we project it again. We project the width of our original channel, which is this measuring stick, above our new channel, and we draw again a line that is parallel, okay, to the Pitchfork tool. Here we are again, and we can again draw the median line of our new channel. Do you want me to draw it? So I'm going to move this one, okay, and put it there in our third projection, the median line. Okay, so I'm going to color the top of that into red so you may see clearly where we are now. Don't get confused, stay focused. So the channel that we are talking about now, I'm going to color it now into red. Now, especially this exercise is very important for day traders and swing traders. Why? Because as a day trader and swing trader, you may enter a trade many times, okay? Many times. So you buy, okay? You take profit at S point, you wait for a pullback, you re-enter, you buy, and then you take profit, and then you are looking for another chance to buy. You can, for day trading, you can buy at different points. Those are what we call hot spot trading zone. By using the Pitchfork tool, you will be able to pinpoint the hot spot trading zone during the third area way because the price is going fast. All right, so you need something to guide you so you may enter the trade, time the market more accurately by combining your wave count, by combining the third area wave and okay, the Pitchfork tool projection. So this is our new channel that we are watching, and the median line is the blue line. Can you see here? You can see the blue line here. Price, you see the price went up. Look what it went up, what it did, boom, down. Look at this candle, how it touched the median line of that red channel. I'm here now. I'm here. Where my cursor is, I'm here. See how it touched it here? That's the median line. That's another invitation to buy. Okay? Higher lows, higher high. Higher lows, higher high. We want to buy when there is a pullback. Fundamentals solid. We are still in the third area wave, though the RSI, the CCI, okay, the stochastic stays overbought during the third area wave, fooling, okay, crazy, okay, momentum oscillator traders to sell. But we are in a bullish trend in the third area wave. We can continue to buy, though the RSI or the momentum oscillator are overbought. The opposite is also true in a downtrend during the third area wave. The momentum oscillator are oversold. Well, people will be busy buying because they say this stock is oversold for too long. And you may even watch on television. People will be saying that, oh, this RSI period 14 has been oversold for 3 months, and this stock is now oversold. People should buy. But we are in a bearish third Elliott wave. Do not buy anything. All right, do not buy anything. All right, so you can apply the same strategy in a downtrend by using, okay, the first and the second wave, and then apply the Pitchfork tool to it, and then you project it down in the direction of the price in a downtrend. Okay, and then you are paying attention to the median line of your projection, and here it is a beautiful setup here for swing trader again. Here we have a bullish trading setup. So traders are watching it. See here. It's not by mistake. See how they got this long tail, all right? Which means orders were littered. What smart money is doing, they will litter orders on the edge of the median line. So price pull back there, orders fill, price bounce up, all right? Now it goes above the red channel. What do? Are you getting it? Once again, we take our measuring stick. I'm careful not to move any other line. And then we put it on top of the red channel. Now we have a new channel, which I'm going to color now into green. All right? Stay with me. So we are in a third area wave, and the price is running very fast. But with the help of the Pitchfork tool, we can manage or navigate through the market, all right, by pinpointing the best time to buy a call option during an uptrend or buy a put option in a downtrend. Are you getting it now? So I'm going to call out my new projected channel in turquoise. So pay attention to the turquoise channel on my chart. Remember, those channels are just the projection of our original Pitchfork tool that is highlighting the first and the second wave of this motive wave. All right. So we are now paying attention to this section here. And one more time, I'm going to move my media line, which is the blue line, moving into the middle of our new turquoise, channel. Here again, you can see that the price. So traders will buy at the lower. They can buy either at the lowest point of our rising channel, okay, and also near the media line. So here it is. It pulled back from the top. So bullish traders, swing traders, we buy at the low. It went up, it reached the top, they take a bit of profit. They know it's going to come down a bit. So don't bother to sell in an uptrend during the third area wave. That's crazy. It can be, for day trading purposes, you can get away with it, but for swing trading, I don't recommend it, okay? For day trading purposes, you see, we're on a monthly chart, it went down. Just know that you're in the third area wave, but just concentrate if you want to sell this one down because you know it's at the top of the consolidation and you receive a sell signal, switch into day trading mode. All right? Don't swing trade it, all right? Just be busy during those months, day trading, giving priority to sell signal, all right? All the way until it's finished. But it's better if you are swing trader or position trader, wait for it to come back to the station. What do I mean? Wait for it to pull back to a hot spot trading zone on the edge. And then take it from there. Use a top-down trading method if you're a technical trader like myself. All right? To time the market carefully. Here it is. Here we are now, again at the top of it. So this is just a quick video about, how to trade the third area wave using the Pitchfork tool. During the third area wave, the momentum is quite strong. As you can see how you see MACD, okay, on my chart, okay. The standard market, you see, it's just going up forever, okay? Just going up, going up, going up, all right, in a straight line. That's why the characteristic of the third area wave. Momentum oscillator, RSI, CCI, okay, stochastic will stay overbought for a long time, all right? Okay, but it's not an invitation to sell. It's just bullish third area wave. Give priority to bullish signal. If you want to sell, you are day trading or scalping for short term only. All right. So this is one example here. When we apply the Pitchfork tool to the first and the second wave, and then the price breaks the wave, we are projecting the wave of the Pitchfork tool in the direction of the price to pinpoint the best place to enter the trade. You will find this strategy quite useful if you are day trading and you are counting wave. You will see sometime when you are day trading, the price going fast. And trader ask me, John, what can I do? Sometimes the price can go fast, and there is another method that we can use. We can go, because we are a monthly chart going too fast, we need to drop down to the lowest time frame to see a bit of a pullback on the lowest time frame to re-enter the trade. But here it is, another method, okay, about how to trade the third area wave using, okay, all right, the Pitchfork tool, all right. If you want to know more about Pitchfork tool trading, go to www.dayprotraders.com. All right. If you want more videos about Elliott wave trading, subscribe to 24 Elliott Waves YouTube channel. We wish you the very best in your trading, and until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about how to trade the third area wave using the Pitchfork tool. I do not want the video to be too long. I can go on and tell you more because I draw some, or you see the channel that I have on my chart here. Okay, this is about wave genius, measuring, okay, the height of the first wave and then projecting it up and down. There are more to this, okay, but I will stop here. And, okay, you can see that there was a range here. You see the range. Okay, the price was going up. There was a cycle here where we went up, pull back. So we measure the low of that previous cycle. Okay, this is the range of the previous cycle. All right, now the new move has begun here. we project it to the upside, giving us, okay, those are key level that are put on my chart here. So if you are trading this stock, okay, fish serve, there are key level that you want to remember. The current key level is a 9325, and there is another key level at 12375, and the midpoint right now is in a zone of 10967. All right. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about how to trade the third Elliott wave using Pitchfork Tool. Speak to you soon.